Well, morning Tom, it's Monday morning once again and the start of a fresh week, the 17th of February, and it's very cold here still. I'm in the garage at the moment and I'm just about to start what I think and consider is one of the worst jobs in the world, and that is emptying Hoovers. And I score every time for this. Now we have two Hoovers. We've got this one here, which is a Shark, extremely powerful machine, a little bit hard to use. It's a very powerful machine. And then we've got the slightly older, well, it's a lot older actually, plain old Hoover. And the thing is, they get full and they have to be emptied, as we all know. So the Shark one is fairly straightforward. You just get hold of it and then, where am I? There we are. And that little button at the bottom, of course, opens the bottom out and it all falls into the wheelie bin. Job done. But the other one, the Hoover, yes, it does a very similar operation. Down there, you just press that and the contents drop into your wheelie bin. But this one has the old cylinder type filter with the louvers on. So all that of course has to be cleaned out as well, and I've often in the past struggled with cleaning the louvers to make sure that the louvers are absolutely free of dust. It's a horrible job, and I dreamed up a while ago a quicker way of doing it, which I'm going to demonstrate to you. So we'll just take the Shark one out first to the wheelie bin and drop these bits in here. We are seeing a bit of sunshine today, which is a nice change. So we just I'm doing this one-handed. Where are we? There we go. In the bin it goes. That's that one done. So back in the garage. So that's that one done. I'm going to do the same with the Hoover one. That's a bit tight as this one. There we go. That's all the rubbish at the bottom. So that one's emptied at the bottom, but now we've got the filter to do. So I'm going to take the filter out and show you my method now of cleaning it. Right Tom, well, these are the two filters. This one fits over that and you can see the grimy state that they're in, and this one here that's got the louvers, it's always been a job getting all the dust out of those louvers. So whoops, the wind's blowing out. I'm outside on the workmate. So what I do, I've got a little bit of a broom handle here, stick that on top like that, and then inside the garage here I've got my Titan Hoover, which is a brilliant piece of kit. I'll just get rid of myself, that's it. And this Hoover, yeah, it does the job of a normal Hoover, of course, but on the reverse, so when you turn it round, you can fit the pipe in the back and it blows air out. So we'll strike it up. So that's that one done. And this is the main one now. Off we go. So there we are, filters all nice and clean. So if you've got one of these Hoovers with a filter, buy yourself a Titan. Okay, bye for now.